Oh, I'm going to perform for you my new sleeve aces. I bought a pack of cards the other day, and the problem with it was I had to complain because all the cards were blank. It's like that. So I called up deck support, and they said, no, you have to press that button on the back. You have to wind it up. It's one of these wind up packs, and you have to give the card some cuts to activate it. And I tried to do it, and it didn't work. But go ahead and say stop. Stop. Um, They said, no, you have to blow on the cards to dry the ink. So then I rubbed it on my sleeve. I got a queen like that. Now, that's the queen of clubs. This is the queen of spades. You can't see it, but if I just rub it here, I can rub off the ink, print it up like that, rub on the ink. Now, if I take these, I rub them here. Usually I'll be wearing a red shirt. I can extract the red shirt, get the queens like that, the two red queens. It's just simply amazing, isn't it? Now, what I'll do is I'll have you say stop again. Okay, you stop me right here, and you stopped me on the other queen. Yeah, you did. I know you don't believe me, so I'll show you. Yeah, that's the queen of clubs and the queen of spades right there. You don't look convinced, so what I'll do is have you blow on the cards, and we get beautifully the queens like that. Okay, the four queens, four queen, good trick. Okay, now what we can do is I can show you that cards are still all blank, and so I had to complain again. I had to complain twice because the whole pack is nothing but a bunch of blankety blank cards. So they said, no, you have to ink, you have to blow on the ink. I did, and they started printing up. It only printed up halfway. They said, blow on the other half. Now we get all the cards. So that is what we call the new sleeve aces. Hello. You want to master the art of magic, not just learn tricks, not just learn one trick, but all the best magic. Welcome to Master Magic Membership, the world's greatest online magic course, created by me, Darin Martineau. I'm the protege of Alan Ackerman. Um, I know what it's like to struggle to learn the art of magic. For many years, I struggled um, as a beginner, and you struggle to learn from books with slow progress and with confusion. And I struggled for many years until I met my mentor, Alan Ackerman, who is one of the world's greatest card magicians. So if you're tired of piecing together video tutorials from random sources and stuck watching disjointed YouTube videos that don't teach correct or deep magic technique or magic structure, learning magic can feel overwhelming and lonely. And now, if you add in advice from one of my mentors, Gary Darwin, in order to get a foundation in the art of magic, you'll need at least 50 of the classic magic books. And if you get them, they cost on an average of $50 for the good books. And that's a total of $2,500 just in magic books alone. Then for magic videos, that's about $30 per video. So if you get about 50 of those, that's another $1,500. That's a total of 4,000, and we don't even have magic props yet. So let's just say, as an example, you need 50 magic props, even though it depends on what you need, whether you want to do street magic or stage or whatever you want to do. But let's just say an example, you need 50 props that cost $50 each. That's another 2,500. So now you're at a total of $6,500. So what we offer you is a solution to save you a ton of time and a ton of money on learning the art of magic. With the Master Magic membership, it's just $20 a month, and you get access to thousands of our exclusive instructional magic videos with new original magic And we also give you a solid foundation in the classic books. You'll get hundreds of the classic books. Uh, so you're going to learn, you're going to get instant access to thousands of instructional videos and books from card magic, coin magic, close up, stage magic, mentalism, and much more. So if you're ready to learn the art of magic and learn it correctly, click on the link now and join Master Magic membership. Thank you.